Okay, this is going from the first floor to the second floor. I'm gonna time myself again. I'm gonna do it all in one shot and see how long it's gonna take me. This is also the way down.
Já tá quase.
So I think on the way down I can just take the elevator. Because once I'm up there, I just go down. Okay, it's 1 minute and I need to take a break and rest. Okay. Wonder how many steps. Oh, I think there's like the number of the steps here. I just saw number 410. Oh, right here. Okay. See right there? It says 420. So this is the 420th step. Yep, so this is the number of steps. Oh my god. Okay, an hour and 42 seconds. And I'm resting again. Oh my god. And it's cold, it's windy. Oh my god. Okay, 470 steps. Oh, look at the view here while I rest. See? It's pretty cool. Wow. Look at that. Okay. How much more? How's my dead cat? Hopefully you're not hearing any of the wind noise because of this dead cat. As you can see right here. Okay, it's just really windy and it's cold and I'm tired, I'm exhausted and I'm sick. But it's also fun. Oh my god, how much more left? Okay, it's been 3 minutes 40 seconds and I'm now on the 550th step. Oh my god, I hope I don't collapse. So I'm gonna take a break. I think I'll take a break out here. Okay, right here. So people can pass by. Oh my. Look at it. It's pretty cool. So it's 4 minutes, 40 seconds. I'm on a 580th step. God, I sound really terrible, don't I? I sound whiny. Oh my god, I'm so whiny right now.
Oh, certo, voglio vederli.
Okay, look at the view. The Trocadéro
Ma sono dal primo.
right there. Okay. Where's the step number? Come on. Should be like 600 by now. Oh, and there's like bird shit. Oh my god, 650? Oh, 630. And it's getting dark. So it means we're getting close. Finally. This is definitely a good workout. It's working my legs, my calves, my core. I made it 6 minutes from the first floor to the second floor. Okay. Need to catch your breath. Okay. So I was looking right here and I realized, oh my god, I didn't take any pictures or selfies when I was on the first floor. I just took videos. So I'm only gonna have photos like here on the second floor and the top floor. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna like walk around so you can see the view from the second floor. There's the Seine River. And it's just like you can pay like $1, €1 or €2. I guess it means if you have the €2 only, then they're not gonna give you a change because it's only gonna I guess the price is only €1. That's funny. You can pay €1 or €2, up to you. So which one would you do? Okay, I like the view from up here than the first floor. Oh, they have a Ferris wheel right there. God, I'm trying to remember the name of the high-rise towers, the buildings. La Défense. That's the La Défense area where they have all the high-rise buildings, because the Parisians don't want any of the high-rise towers in the main the city center. Because after that Montparnasse fiasco thing. So there's all the river cruises. Oops, sorry. Okay, there's the Trocadéro. I think I already showed the Trocadéro. Oh, and there's like a mezzanine level. So I'll go up there too. Because up there you don't get this grill thingy. Oh, look at all the bridges right there. It's pretty cool. And then look at the whole city. It's so pretty. Okay, my right hand is really freezing right now. It's so cold. Okay, where did I come from? Wait. Oh, I think I started at the Trocadéro, really? No. Okay, I think this is where I started, right here. So, I think I'm gonna go up and then do another walk around. So this is how you go up. Oh, there's the line. Oh, that's to go down. So that's the line to go down, I guess. Oh wow, this is better because it's not blocking the view. So yeah, I'll just take my pictures right here. Look, the city's so pretty. There's so many people. Look at that. I'm just gonna pan right here. And then on this side, look at that. Okay. There, look at that.
Wow!
So many people. Let's disappear. Oh, can't go around that way. I have to go this way. Wait for people. See, look. Okay.
All the way down?
And I'm not gonna get my turn. Excuse me. Okay, yeah, it's too crowded, like on the corners. Okay, and here in the corner, so I can see, so I can show you like the view from like on both sides, and it's really windy, so I need to do this really quick because I'm cold. There and okay, continuation right there. Look at that. And there's the Sacré-Cœur. Now, where did I start? I don't remember. I think I started with the Trocadéro. It's so cold. So cold.
Ну ты можешь смотреть нормально. Подай мне, я еще вокруг не обошла. Не, она еще не вокруг не обошла.
Okay, I think I started right around here. Okay, I'm gonna do the pan on both sides right here. So there's that, right, and then go all the way to the left.
July 14th became known as the day of the French Revolution.
So you can see.
Their Independence Day and the Bastille Day because of the origin. Now fast forward 100 years from 1792. What do you have? 1892. When the Eiffel Tower was constructed, 1889. 3 years after the event, was of the Eiffel Tower.
Okay, I think this is where I started. So, okay, this is the line to go up to the very top. It's like a line for Disneyland. Oh my god. So, anyway, got some really good selfies. And I got a lot of like swappies. That's when I ask other people to take my picture, and then I take their picture. So we swapped taking photos. Okay, this line is crazy, and I'm still not there. Oh my god! What the hell? Okay, finally. Oh my god, there's more?